Lecture 6, Using Transitions and B-roll to Improve Flow. Great editing is not just about cutting clips. It's about guiding your viewers smoothly from one moment to the next. That's where transitions and B-roll come in. Transitions keep your edits from feeling abrupt, while B-rolls add variety, context, and energy to your story. In this lecture, we'll look at how to use them effectively, not to distract, but to keep your video flowing in a way that feels natural and engaging. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to apply transitions that enhance rather than overwhelm your edits. Understand when to use B-roll and how it supports storytelling. Use B-roll to hide cuts, cover gaps, and add visual interest. Edit with smoother pacing that keeps viewers engaged. Transitions, connecting the dots. Transitions are effects that help move your audience from one clip to the next. The most common and often most effective is a straight cut, but sometimes a little extra polish is needed. To apply transition, you can just click in here, and here you will have transitions tab. When you just click in here, you will have all these options like dissolve, iris, motion, shape, wipe, freehand transitions, resolve FX color, and resolve FX stylize as well. So you can use any of these. It has all these versions available. For example, you just want to go with simple one, as we have smooth cut. So this is how it will be implemented. Or if you want to go with diamond iris, you can hover over in here, and this is how it will be implemented. And here you can see, and you can use any of these. For example, you can use slide one. This is how it will be implemented, and split one. Like, you can have all these options available, like this one, triangle left, triangle right. So you have all these options available. But for example, if you want to keep it simple, so you can use any of these. At the start, it should be like cross dissolve, and you can just drag it in here and drop it at the beginning of this timeline. Drop it in here. When you just play this video by pressing space, so this is how the effect will be. You can change the settings of that as well. When you just go to timeline, and here you can see, zoom in a bit, and you can change the duration as well. For example, you just want to keep it to 2 seconds, and play this video again, press space. So you can see the difference as well. You can use all others as well, like smooth cut, this one. You can implement this one as well. So if you want to delete this one, press delete, and smooth cut, drag it in here and drop it at the beginning of this edge. And when you just play this video by pressing space, this is how it will be implemented. So you can use accordingly. Basically, you want to apply in between the clips, so you will just click in here at this transition, as we have two different clips. So you can use, for example, cross dissolve and drag it in here. So for example, you just want to go with cross dissolve, drag it in here and drop it in between here. When you just play this video, press space, and here you can see it gives a smoother experience rather than an abrupt change. Other transitions types are cut, simple and clean, best for fast pacing. Dissolve, crossfade, soften the change between clips, ideal for reflective or emotional moments. Wipes or slides can feel stylish when used sparingly, but overuse can look distracting. A good rule of the thumb is that if you notice the transition more than the story, it's too much. B-roll, adding layers to your story. B-roll is supplemental footage you cut over your main footage. A-roll, it adds depth, variety, and context. Examples of B-roll use: in a cooking video, close-ups of chopping vegetables while the chef talks. In an interview, shots of the office, hands typing, or people working. In a travel vlog, street scenes, landscapes, or local food. And for example, if you want to add an image, so you can just go to graphics folder, and if you want to add this one, drag it in here and drop it in here. So when you display this image, you'll have this image as if you would be talking about this group photo. Why it matters: covers cuts, hide awkward jump cuts by placing B-roll over the transition, adds meaning, show instead of just telling, builds rhythm, keep your audience visually engaged. Combining transitions and B-roll, here's how they work together. Use a cross dissolve into a piece of B-roll to ease into a new idea. Drop in quick B-roll shots to keep the pacing lively between longer clips. Replace repetitive talking head footage with relevant visuals that reinforce the message. Practical example. Imagine editing a student documentary. Your interview subject describes a community park. If you only show them talking, the edit drags. But by adding shots of kids playing, trees swaying, and people walking dogs, you have not only covered cuts but also enriched the story. Tips and tricks. Keep B-roll short. 2 to 5 seconds is often enough. Record more B-roll than you think you will need. You will rarely regret having extra. Don't rely on fancy transitions. Most professional editors stick to cuts and dissolves. Transitions and B-roll are not just decoration. They are the glue that holds your edit together. Used wisely, they make your video feel polished, dynamic, and far more enjoyable to watch.